draw and explain single line diagram of a power system. So in the figure you can visualize the single line diagram of a power system. So power is generated at 11 kV voltage. This voltage is stepped up to the voltage of transmission level with the help of step up transformer. Normally the voltage of the transmission is 220 kV or 400 kV. This transformation or this stepping up of the voltage is either a single stage or a two-stage transformation. Long distance transmissions line are run in different areas. This is called high voltage transmission or primary transmission. There is receiving station at the end of each line. In this, the voltage is normally stepped down to 66 kV. From substation, 66 kV lines are run in different areas. This is called secondary transmission. Substation is kept at the end of each 66 kV line. In substation, 66 kV voltage is stepped down to 11 kV with the help of step down transformer. So in the figure you can visualize this is the generator where the power is generated at 11 kV. That 11 kV power is now stepped up with the help of transformer. So power transformer stepping up this voltage up to 220 kV. This power is now transferred via transmission line. This is known as the primary transmission network. And from 220 kV to 66 kV receiving substation, it is stepped down to 66 kV. And from 66 to 11 kV again, it is stepped down with the help of power transformer. So 66 kV to 11 kV lines are generally known as transmission, that is secondary transmission network. Now, these high voltage consumers like factories, big industries are given the supply using 11 kV feeders. This is called high voltage distribution or primary distribution. Some 11 kV feeders are taken into different areas. There is distribution transformer at the end of each 11 kV feeder. This transformer is installed on the pole. This transformer has the voltage ratio of 11 kV to 415 volt. So this is our 11 kV line which is directly given to HT consumers, and from that for the residential use or for commercial use it is directly given to the load area, and where it is stepped down with the help of pole mounted transformer or pole mounted substation from 11 kV to 415 volt 3 phase. Now different 415 volt distribution lines are run in different streets. From these lines the LT domestic consumers are given either a 3 phase supply or a single phase supply. This is called low voltage or secondary distribution. In addition, the modern supply system is interconnected so that if even a single line gets out of the network, the power fed from the another substation. This complication increases due to the interconnection. But considering the other advantages of interconnection, the complication has to be accepted because the interconnection network improves reliability of a consumer. So reliability of a power system increases, and due to which the financial losses occurred to the distribution company reduces. So with comparison to that losses or that cost, the complications due to the interconnections are considered or considerable. So this is the single line diagram from power generating to power distribution to the load and is realized.